Hey, what's up everyone? If you're an entrepreneur looking to dive into the world of digital marketing, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide to get you started on your digital marketing journey. Ready? Let's do this. First off, you need to define your goals. What are you trying to achieve with digital marketing? More sales, brand awareness, lead generation? Get crystal clear on this. Next, identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? Where do they hang out online? Knowing this will help you tailor your content effectively. Alright, now let's talk about creating a killer website. Your website is your online home, so make it welcoming. Use a clean design, easy navigation, and ensure it's mobile friendly. Don't forget to optimize for SEO. That's how people will find you on Google. Content is king, folks. Start with a blog to share valuable information with your audience. Consistency is key here. Then, move on to social media. Choose platforms where your audience is most active. Post engaging content regularly, and don't be afraid to use paid ads to boost your reach. Email marketing is a must. Build your email list from day one. Offer something valuable in exchange for their email, like a free ebook or a discount code. Send personalized emails to keep your audience engaged. Lastly, analyze and optimize. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress. See what's working and what's not, then tweak your strategy accordingly. There you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to kickstart your digital marketing journey. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you'll see results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Catch you in the next video.